Have you ever seen an app that claims you can make money just by tapping your phone? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what Tap and Amp Bank promises. In today's video, I'm going to show you what Tap and Amp Bank is, how it works, what's included, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth your money, or just another overhyped product. Let's get started. Tap and Amp Bank is a beginner-friendly online income system designed for people who have little or no experience with online business. According to the creators, you don't need to build a website, run paid ads, or have technical skills. The idea is that you follow their training, use their recommended tools, and learn a simple method for generating online income. Now, if you're expecting to press one button and instantly receive money in your bank account, that's not how online business works. Like any legitimate opportunity, you'll still need to learn the process and put in consistent effort. Inside the program, you'll generally find step-by-step video training, a beginner-friendly setup process, marketing strategies, additional bonus resources, customer support. The biggest advantage is that everything is explained in a simple way, making it easier for beginners to get started. If you've never earned money online before, having a structured roadmap can save you a lot of time compared to trying to figure everything out yourself. Let's talk about the good and the bad. Pros: beginner-friendly, affordable entry price, easy to follow training, no advanced technical skills required, includes bonus resources. Cons: income is not guaranteed. Marketing claims on the sales page may sound exaggerated. You'll still need time, patience, and consistent action. Results will vary from person to person. This is important because no software or course can guarantee that you'll earn hundreds of dollars every day without doing any work. Always be cautious of unrealistic income expectations. Tap and Amp Bank could be a good option if you're completely new to online marketing. You want a simple step-by-step system. You're willing to learn and apply what you learn. However, if you're expecting instant passive income with zero effort, this probably isn't the right mindset for any online business. Overall, Tap and Amp Bank appears to be an entry-level training program for beginners who want to explore making money online. The value you'll get depends less on the marketing promises and more on how consistently you apply the training. If you decide to buy it, make sure you go through all the lessons and take action instead of expecting overnight success. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.